It's your travel agent, David, and today we are at the Mount Fuji World Heritage Museum. That's a pretty cool looking building. In the mirrored image, it's Mount Fuji, so that's why it looks like that. And then you've got Mount Fuji right in the middle of a tour gate. How cool is that? Mount Fuji World Heritage Center is located in Fujinomiya City and offers an immersive experience into the cultural, spiritual, and natural significance of Mount Fuji, Japan's highest and most iconic peak. It opened in December of 2017, and the center serves as a gateway for visitors to explore the mountain's rich heritage without physically ascending it. Designed by renowned architect Shigeru Ban, the building itself is a tribute to Mount Fuji. Its inverted cone shape is constructed with a lattice of locally sourced wood and reflects on a surrounding water basin, symbolizing the mountain's form and its connection to the water. This design not only offers aesthetic appeal but also utilizes spring water from Mount Fuji for the building's heating and cooling system, emphasizing sustainability. Visitors embark on a simulated 193-meter spiral ascent, accompanied by time-lapse visuals and ambient sounds, replicating the journey from sea level to Mount Fuji's summit. There are 6 permanent exhibits: the Fierce Mountain, the Sacred Mountain, the Beautiful Mountain, the Nurturing Mountain, the Inherited Mountain, and Ascending Fuji. They all delve into various aspects of Mount Fuji, from its volcanic activity to its role in art and religion. At the summit of the spiral path, a panoramic window offers breathtaking views of the actual Mount Fuji, allowing visitors to connect the indoor experience with the real landscape. So we've made it to the rooftop. Now this is why the Mount Fuji building is inverted. Okay, so that we have a base up here, you go around the spiral, simulating the ascension of Mount Fuji, and it opens up right to Mount Fuji. Now, if you've seen my other video at the Fuji Shrine, if you look right there, that's the torii gate, which I took a photo when we were entering into the Fuji Shrine. So Fuji Shrine is just right over there, and then in that video where I was taking photos and video of the bridge and the other torii gates, it's just right there. So you're a quarter of a mile away from the Fuji Shrine, so very centrally located. Periodically, as you make your way down or up, there's going to be several little areas that you can pull off, and they have interactive displays about Mount Fuji, history, eruption, the tectonic plates. So it's really interesting here. So you can figure out anything you want to know about Mount Fuji right here. If you're wondering why they have a Fuji shrine, a lot of Japanese, especially in the past, believe that Mount Fuji is a female god, and thus they have a shrine so that they can pray to her. Now, when you pray to Fuji, you bow twice, you clap your hands twice, and you bow again. So if you ever see anybody in my videos doing that, that's why they're doing it. There is a movie theater here. The movie is free. Unfortunately, I caught it right as it was progressing, so I can't go in there and disturb it. But it's here for you if you want to look at it. There is a cafe and museum shop inside the center. You can enjoy Mount Fuji themed snacks, such as soft serve ice cream resembling the mountain, and browse a selection of unique souvenirs.